Bingo Cache profile pictures can fail to upload because of a blocked photo permission, an unsupported image, an unstable connection, or a temporary app problem. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check on Android and iPhone before deciding that your Bingo Cache account itself is broken. Start with the photo permission because Bingo Cache needs access to your device's photos or media before it can select an image. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Bingo Cache, then open Permissions, and allow the relevant photos and videos or files and media permission available on your device. On iPhone, open Settings, find Bingo Cache, select Photos, and allow the required photo access. Next, try a different picture from your gallery. If one particular image refuses to upload, the problem may be with that file rather than the account. Choose another normal photo and test the upload again. Avoid repeatedly selecting the same file if the app immediately returns an error. Your internet connection can also affect uploads. If you're using Wi-Fi, temporarily switch to mobile data and try again. If you're already using mobile data, try a reliable Wi-Fi connection. If the picture uploads on one connection but not the other, the issue is more likely related to the network. Now completely close Bingo Cache and reopen it. On Android, remove the app from the recent apps screen before launching it again. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Bingo Cache away before reopening it. Check for an available Bingo Cache update as well. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Bingo Cache, and install an available update. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Bingo Cache, and check whether an update button appears. Android users can also clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Bingo Cache, Storage, and choose Clear Cache. Avoid selecting Clear Data unless you understand what information will be removed and you know how to sign back into your account. If the profile picture still will not upload, test whether other account features are working. If the rest of Bingo Cache works normally and only the profile upload fails, the issue may be limited to the profile feature or the current app version. If none of these steps work, contact Bingo Cache support through the available support option and provide the exact error message, your device type, and the steps you already tried. Do not send your password or verification codes. The key fixes are checking photo permissions, trying another image, changing your connection, and updating Bingo Cache. Your next step is to check the app's photo permission first, then retrieve the upload with a different picture. If this fixed your Bingo Cache profile picture problem. Like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.